How to delete order history on Temu. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you whether it is possible or not to delete order history on Temu. Basically, deleting order history on Temu or any other e-commerce application is typically not an option provided to users due to record-keeping requirements. However, you can manage your privacy by hiding or archiving orders, also by contacting customer service or managing the notifications. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Temu application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. And once you are logged into your account, here at the bottom you will find your profile icon. Tap on this profile icon to open to your profile page. Here you will find your orders section. Tap on this option and here you will find all your order history. Here look for the options to whether you can archive, hide or manage your order history. If it is available, you can select the orders you wish to archive or hide and follow the prompts. But if the application doesn't provide a way to delete or hide order history, you can contact Temu's customer support. For that, come back to the home page and again tap on this profile icon at the bottom. Here on this page at the top right, you will find the support section or the support icon. Tap on this support icon, usually represented by a headphone, and you will reach to a new page. Here you will find all the help articles title. If you didn't find any option suitable for your issue, then you can scroll down all the way and there tap on this contact us option. And from here you can request to delete or hide your order history and also provide necessary details that support you to request to delete or hide your story. Once you send a message to it, the bot on the Temu will help you solve your problem. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.